everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing a Celine unboxing today. And this bag I got from Paris. Bag has been on my wish list forever. I really wanted to buy it from Europe, particularly Paris, because there's a huge price difference between India and Paris. So I have already shown you the process, but I haven't shown you which bag I picked. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing with you. So there were many colors, many sizes of this bag available at their outlet, and my essay was really helpful, although I was more inclined towards buying the other color. This color was the one I wanted to buy. I actually went to buy this color, but when I reached there I was more inclined towards another color. But then there was this girl who also came in to buy a similar bag, and she told me why I shouldn't be buying the other color and should stick to my initial instinct, because she gave me very good points on it, which I'm going to talk you through once I open this bag. Without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing of the bag. So I haven't opened it yet since the day I've got it, and it's been 2 weeks I'm back. So I'm really excited to open it with you guys. And this looks like their festive packing, the festive ribbon. So I'm just going to open it. The ribbon is really nice. So here it is. The reveal comes in a beautiful dust bag. Ta-da! So this is the caramel color and more like a tan color. And I don't have any caramel or a tan bag in my bag collection. So I went to buy this bag initially, but then there was this chocolate color as well, which had a lot of shine on the leather. And when I compared these two, I felt I'll be carrying the brown one more than this one. But then this girl was also buying the same bag, and she told me that this is original untreated leather, and it's going to get better and better with time, and you're going to see the color change. So over the years it's going to change in color, and you're going to love that. And it was untreated. The other one was already treated and it had a shine on it. So it was like she told me why I should stick to my original choice. And thank you the stranger who told me to stick to it, and I'm really happy with my choice. And let's see now what's the interior of the bag looks like. So this is the Celine logo, Celine buckle, which is basically the best part of this bag. I love how this bag looks. It's very classic, and I have seen over the years that I've started liking bags which are more classic and are very neat, and they don't have a lot of logo or bling on it. And the clean cut and the clean structure of this bag is what made me want it so much. And there are two buttons that you have to press to open the bag, and it is made up of such a soft leather. I don't have any difficulty opening it. There is no hardness. So it has like 3 compartments. So this is basically for your receipts, bills, and this is the bigger pocket. Then you also have a zipper pocket for your cash, and another big pocket, and then one more pocket. So it is quite spacious in terms of space, and it comes with an adjustable strap. So this strap can be adjusted as per your height. So I'm going to just show you the shortest length on me. I am 5'8" for your reference, and I'm going to show you So this is how the shortest length looks on me, and if you are short heighted, I think you can carry it crossbody at this length, since I can also do it. Now you can also adjust the strap according to your height, make it longer or shorter. Honestly, they had another version of this bag, which is like a teen Triumph bag, and it is more like a square in shape. I was also very much inclined towards getting that bag because it had a shorter strap, and it was more easy to carry on the shoulder because it was ending here, so you feel more secure when you're carrying your bag on shoulder. So this is basically a cross-body bag which you can always carry around as a shoulder bag, but the length of the bag where it ends is not a typical shoulder bag length. The size and the shape and the space of this bag was more beautiful. Everything about this bag was more beautiful. But if you are someone who is short-heighted, who doesn't carry a lot in their bag, you can also look into the Teen Triumph. Although the price difference was not much, I think the Teen Triumph was about 200 euros cheaper than this one. This bag was around 3400 euros, and I did get a 12% VAT refund on it. So the price that I'm giving you is before the VAT refund. My essay was really nice. She was very sweet to explain everything about the leather, how I should be keeping it, and she was very generous to offer a cleaning kit for this leather, just in case I stain it, or I'm just going to show you the kit also that came with it. For me, initially you had to buy it separately and it was not very easily available, but now it is something that she gifted me, and it also comes with a cleaning sponge and a cleaning cloth. So yeah, so you just have to open it, spray, and then you can sponge it. So she also gave me a demo, and I saw that the stains were like erased in matter of seconds after using this leather cleaner on the bag. So now let's see what fits inside this bag and how it looks after filling it up. So let's go. So I don't carry a lot of stuff in my bag. So I have two phones. One I'm using for recording, and one is this phone that I'm going to fit inside this bag. And a small wallet that holds all of my ATMs and cards and sometimes even cash. My car keys. So this is a large comb that I'm keeping. This is from Dyson. I don't usually carry this one around, but I was not able to find the other one. I think it's in some other bag. So this is also fitting very nicely. This is a small carry pack of cream. This is a small perfume and my lip gloss. And these are my essentials. As you can see, they fit very nicely. And some cash if I need. I'm going to be putting it in the zipper pocket. So let's see how this bag closes. So I believe I will have to shift this. This is how the bag looks from the side after having all the stuff that I needed. As you can see, this side is little stuffed. So if I'm going to rearrange everything I've put in it, I think I'll be able to close it better. So yes, so this is how it looks. I'm going to just loosen it up. The outfit that I'm wearing, this is not going a lot with it, but I just wanted to give you an idea of how it looks. So yeah, if you're wearing it with darker colors like dark blue or navy blue or black, just like I'm wearing, you have to be a little careful, but I don't think there will be a lot of color transfer on this color and this leather as well. So let me know how you like my purchase and what are your thoughts on this bag. If you want to know anything more about it, and honestly, this feels so soft and supple. I do have other bags which are made up of lambskin, but trying to open them and they're very stiff and they don't feel that they're very good quality. But for this, I am very sure it is something that is going to stay in my wardrobe forever. And yes, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this review. Let me know your thoughts about it, and until next time, bye bye.